Great day today. And then back to Gary Hills in the car 76. Travis Evans alongside him. Andrew Barbagallo in car 52.
He'll be well and truly ahead for this round.
Craig there, number 19 car. And back to Tony James, number 10 Commodore, alongside him, Jason Jameer, number 18 Falcon. Then back to Simon Pierre Benidi in the Commodore. Great start, yeah. But equal to Nathan Callaghan.
Took Nathan.
The distance for this final event, all final events 10 lappers. We're into our last 3 races of the day. We hope if you've been to Wanneroo to Barbagallo Raceway for the first time, hope you enjoyed the racing today. Still a little bit to come, and this race is going to be exciting. He's already broken away.
Got about 4 or 5 car length lead. They come down the hill into Brown's Fuel fast break corner.
2 seconds in front.
As they come through the corner. Out onto the coach straight away.
Go, you legend!
Pretty evenly spaced, Gary Hills. Let me go back to him.
Yes!
Travis at the other end of the field, but this is a fairly new car, so they've got, still getting their head around it. And then back to Paul Frost and Cole Jameer as they head over the hill and down towards Cold Corner. Going through Cold Corner at the moment, no changes in position. Let's see, and once again, Nathan Callaghan
up the hill, yep.
Yeah!
Pretty well spaced.
They are for a saloon car race. The only real battle going on is practice for 4th place here.
Still 2 seconds in front.
And Craig Trinity gets up on the wriggle strip, gets the car to the clock.
Yep, Bob.
Yellow flags out in sector 1. Yeah, safety car's coming out. So
he's out of the car, so that's a good thing.
That's a very good sign, yeah. Safety car out of the track. I think there was a bit of a contact there, but
yeah, hard to pick up, but he was certainly trying hard. He was in that pack that were racing fairly hard with the Evans Trevia.
He'll be challenging for him now.
The officials.
For Nathan.
Not a good way to start your racing career.
Once safety car gets off the track.
Safety car will come out. Once again, I guess we'll have to wait on a recovery vehicle from the top part of the
Yay! Champion! Nathan Callaghan, you are a legend.
So it's amazing how much these little seasons drag out the sand traps there.
Yeah, well, I think he's out of the sand trap. He's on that little grass strip on the back, so we just have to wait and see what happens, how quickly they can move in.
Yeah, what sort of damage is done to the steering. Fire crew over there having a bit of a look.
Hurry up and pull the car out so the race can continue.
It's Alan Clark and his team. move in. Certainly the Suzuki 4-wheel drive club have been coming up here for nearly 30 years.
Yeah, a long time. Alan Clark is in the Suzuki Car Club way back then, and he was the instigator in many ways, and has been with us ever since. So we've got a little bit of work to do to pull that car out, so I don't think we'll get a restart before at least another lap as the cars come over behind the safety car. Keeping the heat in their tyres is the main problem.
So once again, another good start by Nathan Callaghan. He held out Nick Scorio through the first corner. And then Dion Panessa moved up a few places in that first lap and a half.
They come behind the safety car. Nathan Callaghan's had a pretty stellar day. For today's points, Nathan Callaghan
Andrew's back in the car. He looks
he's driving away.
Moving it, yeah, so he's just driving it straight onto the infield.
Yep, they'll bring it right into the infield road.
So that now clears the track, and we should get a restart this lap.
Come on, Nathan!
Bringing them out of cold corner now. Suzuki Club, once again, excellent job by them. And they moved out of the way.
This is the fifth lap, so we've lost
about 3 laps, I think.
3 laps by the time they come through, yep.
But still 5 laps of racing after this, so anything can happen. And it's bunch to field up.